PhotoFast refers to a design that provides a better user gaming experience, ease of use, and the carrying of product accessories. GPower is an all-around product that has integrated the Nintendo Switch, iOS, Android, Mac PC. You don't have to bring a bulky switch dock and charger anymore. Now, all you need is the compact and portability design of GPower, the best solution for your Nintendo Switch. Expand your gaming experience everywhere. When you're doing a presentation, GPower can also act as HDMI projector. It's charging while projecting. Take the diversity design of GPower with you, the best solution for your business mode. Stable your projecting experience every time. GPower, high-speed power delivery charging, time-saving, simply plug design, capabilities of expandability. Why not take GPower with you from now on and have more fun on the 4K big screen every day? GPower, bring games into our life, making life easier.